You want to feed your microbiome. You want to eat those healthy foods. It's more important than ever. Avoid sugars and flours and other processed foods. Even whole wheat flour, whole grain flours are not necessarily good for the gut. We should be eating the whole grains, the whole cooked grains. Avoid animal foods that have been raised with antibiotics if you can. And there's a lot more available now. Watching your artificial sweeteners. You're better off having the sugar, I think, than eating artificial sweeteners. Watch your pesticides. Avoid antibiotics where you can. Watch those acid blocking drugs. Don't use antibacterial soaps. You don't need them. Just use regular soap. Cultivate resilience and gratitude and all in your life. And hang out at a farm. Enjoy your pets. Put your hands in the soil. And that's my dog. So she makes me smile, makes me laugh.